Sundance Spas makes water care a breeze, and with the FROG Sanitizing System, it's even easier. You'll need your FROG holder and a FROG Sanitizing Kit, which includes a mineral cartridge, a SmartChlor cartridge, a shock packet, and test strips. The first time you use the FROG system, you must use the Jumpstart shock packet according to the package instruction. Next, use the FROG test strips to ensure your water is balanced. Then, set the blue mineral cartridge to number 7 and snap into the right side of the holder. Now, set the silver SmartChlor cartridge to the correct setting for your spa size and snap into the left side of the holder. Place the holder over the filter with the silver cartridge towards the inside of the spa, and your FROG system is ready to go. Your SmartChlor cartridge will need to be replaced every 3 to 4 weeks, and your mineral cartridge will need to be replaced every 4 months or whenever draining and refilling your spa. Remember to test your water and keep it balanced, and to shock your spa water once a month with FROG Maintain, a non-chlorine shock. Enjoy easy, clean water made even easier with the FROG Sanitizing System today.